And we bring you breaking news coming in at this hour on the Mumbai monsoons. The new Mumbai underground metro station is now submerged. Acharya Atre Chowk metro station is flooded with heavy overnight rains led to waterlogging. Atre Chowk metro started operations just 15 days ago. There's a red alert for rains in Mumbai today. That's breaking news just coming in, and Devesh Singh joins me on this story. Devesh, newly inaugurated metro station flooded, overnight rains have wreaked havoc. We're trying to get back in touch with Devesh for now, but there's a red alert for rains in Mumbai today with extremely heavy rainfall predicted in Mumbai, and the newly inaugurated underground metro station Acharya Atre Chowk is currently flooded. You're seeing these visuals on your screen of the metro station that was inaugurated just 15 days ago. The overnight rains have caused extreme havoc in India's financial capital, and the monsoon has just begun. This is the earliest monsoon recorded in Mumbai in over 100 years. We're showing you the visuals that are coming in of the Acharya Atre Chowk metro station, which was very recently inaugurated. And you can see after the overnight rains, the kind of waterlogging that has happened in Mumbai, the stairs, the metro station platforms, all of that is currently flooded. And Devesh is now joining me on this story. Devesh, what more do we know with the red alert for rains in Mumbai?
The first lanes have lashed Mumbai, and you can see that multiple areas. There was waterlogging. There was waterlogging at Baikala railway station. There was waterlogging at Hindmata. There was waterlogging at Sion Gandhi Market also. But now the waterlogging has reduced. We are right now at Gandhi Market area. This is a place which was waterlogged till an hour back, but the water has reduced now. The waterlogging has reduced and traffic movement has resumed. The traffic movement was heavily affected at this location. This is a location which is a low-lying area, Anisha, and every year we see that despite preparations by the BMC, despite preparations by the disaster cell, there's heavy waterlogging in this particular area. This is the Gandhi Market area of Sion, which was heavily waterlogged till an hour back. Now the water has reduced, the waterlogging is reduced, but the traffic movement is still slow. You can see the traffic movement.
I'm just going to interrupt you here. What do we know about the Acharya Atre Chowk metro station? Because this is a newly inaugurated metro station. We're getting visuals of a lot of waterlogging. Whether it looks like the entire platform seems to be flooded in the new metro station.
Yes, there's some metro stations especially in the Aqua Line or the underground metro, where at some places there's waterlogging which has been observed, and also near Siddhivinayak, we hear that near Siddhivinayak temple, the metro station, there's waterlogging inside the metro station. At Acharya Atre metro station also, we can see visuals of waterlogging that has happened. So, is Mumbai prepared to run underground metro? Because these are the first trains. This is the first train that lashed Mumbai. The monsoon has come 2 weeks early, but was Mumbai prepared for this monsoon? Is Mumbai prepared this time for the monsoon? It brings to light that there's several such measures that need to be taken, especially for the underground metro stations and low-lying areas which get heavily waterlogged, which bring traffic to a halt, which affects the railway movement, the train movement on the railway lines, on the central railway. And now with the metro line coming up, with the underground metro line coming up, especially the Aqua Line, which is the underground metro line, we see the Aqua Line is yet to begin from South Mumbai towards Western Mumbai. We can see that many such stations are still waterlogged. There's waterlogging observed at metro stations as well. So this raises questions on the authorities, on Mumbai Metro authorities,
Okay.
on MMRDA, on
Okay.
BMC, the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation,
Okay.
whether they are prepared or not, because these are just the first trains which have lashed Mumbai.
Well, clearly, Divyesh, thank you very much for that perspective. Clearly, the questions are going to be asked, is Mumbai prepared for this kind of rain, especially when there's an underground metro being constructed?